So today we're going to paint buffalo orange as we go out and serve. So there are so many things that we are proud of at Buffalo State, but one of them is our real deep connections with the community. In all kinds of ways, we feel that we should be and we are a part of lifting up the city of Buffalo.
I'm Mark Schroeder, Buffalo City Controller, and I especially wanted to come here today to congratulate President Turner for her initiative in working with the community. She has a reputation that she never allows anybody to be left on the side of the road. And so to have 800 students at Buffalo State College come out today to help the Buffalo community is significant.